Talking of which, she hits without effort, it seems, Kerber. She covers the ground effortlessly too.
Oh, that's a wonderful shot.
Well played.
Well, both of them were trying to get a good position on the court, both hitting it pretty hard, but in the end you can see Kerber's inside the court.
Looking to start to boss it now, Kerber.
Yeah, that was one of her typical kind of shots. She looks like she's off balance, but she controls it. And the same there, but hitting through the shot.
It's a shame. 40-15 up in the game, Paszek, but broken.
That's what everyone was saying yesterday, the quotes, you know, from all the players. Bartley said it was a nightmare.
Wow. Too good. She nearly got away with a terrible drop shot.
Yeah.
Well done. Attitude, one of that game. Ooh, that's close too. But Alison Lane staying long. She meant that.
Well, she's been given away into this match, and it's made Paszek a lot more confident. Look at the way she's hitting it now.
Well done again.
Well, this time, there we go. Get the drop shot over. Cover your angles. That's a super pass. Yeah.
Just wide. How good was that point?
The ball's going all over the place. So you do what you can in that situation to make the ball.
Oh, how sweetly timed was that? And she really works hard on three-quarter pace, but very high percentage of first serves in. Then just about hung on to it. There's a lot of sort of jackknifing going on in that point.
Yes, she wasn't sure, was she, if this was going to work. Ooh.
4-all first set. Yeah. The length softening the point for Kerber. Brilliant. And the first to take it on in the point.
Yeah, definitely Kerber was taking it on more at the beginning of this match, but at the moment Paszek can just stay in the rally and wait for that kind of ball.
This is probably the shot of the match, isn't it? She's a tough cookie, is Paszek. Well played. Well, why she didn't go to the space, Paszek, especially after Kerber slipped in a place that she and Bartley slipped yesterday.
Yeah.
Well, there's one. Emphatically. She loves that shot.
Yeah.
Ooh. There was no call before Kerber's reaction, and then the call came after. Too good. I think all young players should. Not enough do. It's great length again.
Yeah, good authority on the hits, taking her chances when they're presented.
Well. That was a bit of a gift, though, for Paszek to take the initiative second set. And 2 holds to 15 on her service games this set to extend the lead. Well done. That's the strongest the wind has been in this match, but it's with Kerber. She's got to make hay at this end.
Oh, Paszek thought that was clearly out.
It's the worst line for Alison Lang. She's saying, I didn't see a space. You wouldn't from that angle. That's the point.
Yes. Ooh.
Oh, it's a lot closer when you see it like that.
It looks out.
But from Alison Lang's angle.
No, she can't see that.
And as she says, the line judge has got the best view. Straight down the line.
Trouble was, Paszek was looking down the line too.
Yes. What a great reaction, though. That's fueled her up a little. And the crowd, too.
Perfect. It was a reaction from both of them, actually, because Kerber wasn't exactly too pleased either. But yeah, she loved that.
Got it. Just solid on the return, anticipating the serve again. Wow. Here she comes. Make that 4 points. Motivation. The best form and the longest lasting form is intrinsic motivation, of course.
This is a good reply from Paszek, though. Under pressure the last 4 points and comes up with that. Oh.
The wind interfering there. It just stopped, didn't it?
Absolutely died.
Well, good save from Love 30. Yeah, well weighted. Oh, that's in, is it? Paszek can't believe it is. I think it caught the line.
Oh, she read it right too, Kerber. Almost overran the ball.
Great defence from Kerber, but no mistake this time from Paszek. And does. It's 5-3 now for the Austrian. Second set.
Yeah.
I mean, that was matter of fact.
She does like to hit those low ones down the line. They're very difficult to do. She has such good racket skills.
She's becoming predictable with that out wide serve, but whilst it's hurting, why not? And does. It's 1-set all after an hour and 33 minutes.
Ooh. That's her first ace.
Super.
Great return, puts the pressure on immediately, and then just picking the right shot.
Well, the serve was on the line, the forehand was on the line.
Well done. What a difficult shot.
Brilliant. Fabulous.
Good try.
Old Faithful to the rescue.
Yeah, that lefty serve.
Made it. That's two fabulous digs. Made it.
But she does need to. She needs to boss this a bit more.
Yeah, she's the number 8 player in the world out here.
Yes. Good save.
Well, the wind brought that back in for Paszek, but Kerber wasn't. Too good.
Yeah, driving Kerber backwards with that shot right on the baseline.
Big game. 2-all final set. How well is she playing these break points,
Yes.
Paszek?
Well played.
There are some cheers now for Paszek with this resistance.
She's being bolder at the moment than her opponent, stepping up into the court and hitting much flatter.
So was that. Fourth time lucky for Kerber. If she breaks through, it is the first break final set.
Oh, it's very difficult on overhead in the wind. Not particularly enjoyable.
Super. Covers the ground so quickly, and that was wonderful control. Wow.
Down in the match, she suddenly came up with something a bit extra. Punchy half shot down the line, but plenty of speed.
And hung over by it. No wonder the look.
Yeah, fist pump with it.
Wow, again.
Oh,
slipped.
yeah.
But okay, very quickly up.
What is it with that place on the court? Oh, yeah. That's an ankle. Nasty. Your instinct is to get up straight away and go for the ball. Unbelievable from Kerber. The amount of court she covered.
And now just one. It's 3 championship points for Angelique Kerber. Brilliant from the pair of them. How free was that? She almost stood stock still hitting that backhand. Just refusing to be beaten.
He's rather enjoying herself. But, you know, if Kerber's not going to put much more than that on the ball. Yet again.
Five championship points. That's on the line. Oops.
15-14.
To say she's tight is an understatement.
Boy.
That was all too much for Angelique Kerber. Made it.
Really brilliant to hang into that rally and then just think, I'm going to go for this.
And overall, she has been the one to go for it. There's much more applause for Paszek, isn't there?
Yeah.
Well done. She's getting her head back together. Well, she said, "Come yet," at the start of the point. That's a huge come on at the end of it. That is stunning from Kerber. This was brilliant.
Really good shot from Paszek. And she keeps right down low to it. Great control.
Too good. Three games in a row. 5 championship points saved. Wow. Kerber plays her best tennis when down. She thought she'd made it. There is no Hawkeye.
From here, I'm not going to overrule it. I'm not 100% sure enough to overrule it. It's right in front of him.
It's the worst line again for Alison Lang. She's quite right. He's got the best view.
Well, at first look, Chris, I thought it was in as well.
3rd championship point. She cannot believe it. A kiss for the grass. Coming into Eastbourne, she'd won 2 matches all year. She's the champion. Saving 5 championship points. It's a dream come true for Tamira Paszek. The first Austrian champion at Eastbourne. And for him too, Andrea Pavel.
Yeah.
A popular champion.
Very popular, just like the way she goes about her tennis, her attitude, her positiveness, getting over the ankle. Played some great tennis and really believed in herself at the end. It was good to see.
And you've got a feel for Angelique Kerber.
Yeah.
5 championship points. Not for Kerber. 2 hours and 45 minutes. It was 3 hours and 5 to get by Bartley yesterday from a set and 4 love down, a set and 2 love down in the final set. 2 3/4 hours with a dicky ankle at the end. She's done brilliantly to win her 3rd career title.
Angelique Kerber.
You'd imagine she'll be pretty inconsolable. But a great effort this week from the world number 8 in her debut here
will collect a magnum of Moet Chandon champagne. There'll be a trophy along with a cheque for $57,000.
That should help soften the blow a little. She's going to get a big cheer.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please welcome the 2012 Aegon International Ladies Singles Champion from Austria, Tamira, Paszek.
Delighted for her. Father just to the right as we looked at that gentleman celebrating. Travel all around the world with her dad. Left it to coach Andre Pavel these days.
Also collect the Aegon International Trophy and a cheque for $107,000.
Already won $1.3 million in her career, and the names that she follows onto the trophy, Joe. It's a special day for dad and for daughter.
Yeah, just so well deserved. What a fighter. And she's had a torrid time of it this year, so this makes it all the more special.
And I'm now just going to hand the microphone to Tamira. Ask her to say a few words. Tamira.
Well, first of all, the first thing I want to do is thanks to Angelique for a great match. I think we gave everything, both of us. I want to also congratulate her for a great week, a great season until now. She's a great person, great competitor on tour, and I wish her best of luck for the next week. I also want to thank our big sponsor, Aegon, for such an amazing tournament. It's been a pleasure being here the whole week. It feels like home. I mean, it was just amazing with all of you being here, the crowd, it was just... I have really no words to say right now. And also thanks for our sponsor, Sony, for helping us through the whole last years. It's a great sponsor, and we're really pleased to have them on tour. Well, I have actually a lot to say. And now to one of the most important things this week. Thanks a lot to my coach, Andre. He is a big part of my success this week. He's been working with me, being patient, keeping me positive, keeping me out there fighting. So thanks a lot, Andre, for this. Now, my player box up there. My godparents, my lovely dad, and all my friends and family, thanks a lot for supporting me.
Father Arif with the hat.
Now also thanks to our tournament director for such an amazing tournament. Thanks to all the officials, the ball kids, line umpires, drivers, like everyone who made it such a special event. And thanks to all you who are here again. Thanks a lot.
Well said. Our champion for 2012 from Austria, Tamira Paszek.
Let's hope the ankle recovers quickly for Wimbledon.
Yes, because I'm sure Caroline Wozniacki's not really hoping she's going to play as well as that against her next week.
Be a packed house, you would imagine, for the final. So Fru McMillan and Simon Reed will be taking you through the men's final.